Hello guys, this is a very professional train spotter here, and right now I'm at Birmingham International on the West Coast main line, where we will see services from Avanti West Coast, cross country, London Northwestern Railway, maybe a bit of Transport for Wales, and West Midlands Railway. Basically same thing as London Northwestern Railway, but yeah, the West Midlands Railway will be the services that terminate here. So yeah. 39153, but oh yeah, along with the trains they obviously would see the planes. 39153 brought me in from Birmingham New Street, pretty decent ride on that. As I was getting set up, obviously he did depart, along with a cross-country Voyager service, double Voyager, I think it was Super and Standard, going like northbound. And also, as I was getting myself set up, obviously we had I had a Jet 2 flight taking off. I believe that's going to be the only source of aircraft you're going to be getting in this video. Actually, there is one up there. You can't see it. Yeah, you can see it. There's actually a plane up there. Obviously, I will be able to tell you all the destination of the planes as well, because I've only got myself an app for it. So yeah, that should be good. Yeah, so Jet 2 flight took off. I believe they're just doing pilot training. Because I think he's just doing a loop, Birmingham to Birmingham. Pretty decent. If you just want to know where that plane up there is going, I'll tell you now. Might as well. I think that there is a TUI and a Ryanair in there as well, but they don't look like they're going to be doing anything. So yeah. No, wrong app. That's the app you want to go into. I didn't really want to go into Among Us. Salzburg 1-0 up. Yay. Burnley are 4-0 up. Burnley are 4-0 up. That plane up there that you can... No, it's not. No, it's not. No, that might be that Jet 2 one, actually. Up there. The one that took off. It looks like there is an EasyJet setting up to take off as well. No, that's the wrong source of No, we don't want to do that. Oh no, he's just landed, okay. Yeah. Anyway. I'll just stop waffling on now and let's see what we're going to see today. Okay, if the tablet decides to put itself back into focus... Yeah, you can just see up there, terminating Transport for Wales 158, two of them, from Chester. Just coming in now. I'll only be able to get the front one for you, I'm not going to get the rear because I'm going to be spending most of my time up here. And it'll come in and basically just go straight back out. And if I turn... No, I'm not even going to be able to get the number in the front one, am I? My eyes aren't that good. 1588 something. There's a 0 on the end, I believe, or is that a 6? You know what you can do? You can walk. Don't be lazy. Just walk. That's very quick, changing on lights driver, well done. I believe that's 816. Is there an 836? I don't think there is an 816 for Transport for Wales. 158 816. And coming in as well is an Avanti West Coast Pendolino service bound to Preston. I believe it's a 1350 to Preston. So 1350 to Preston. 1353 to Preston. By Pendolino. and that 158 is going to be working the 1407 to Aberystwyth. Very good. Respect it. There's nothing to respect about it. There's 391.14 here. Social distancing is just reminding you that something bad is happening. So yeah, why would I respect it? I know what you mean. Yeah, also I'm aiming... Well, hang on. This is City of Manchester. Also today I'm aiming to see the Pride train. 391.19 Pride. I also want to see the new livery on the Voyagers. I mean, I probably would know if it's coming, because obviously real-time trains gives you that cheap button now. Okay, so he's now off. I've just had a look at real-time trains as well, and it does look like there is a freight train path to come through. It's a Daventry to Moss End. So we'll just have to wait and see if that does turn up. It's pathed to leave Daventry at 14:10. So yeah. 391.14 is now off anyway with 13:53 to Preston. I said you're off with the 13:53 to Preston. This is the part when you move. Thank you. I've got no hatred against you, but I just want, just keep to schedule. Gone. Yeah, so that up there, I'm to believe, is American Airlines from Frankfurt to Toronto, and the other one, I believe, is an Air Canada. Can you see the other one up there? The one to the left is Air Canada from Frankfurt to Toronto, and the one on the right is the Frankfurt to Chicago American Airlines. 36,000 feet up on the right and 34,000 feet up on the left. Yeah, that will probably be about 600 of me.
The next train to arrive at platform 5 will be the 14:05 London Northwestern Railway service London.
Okay, so now coming in is a delayed 1400 London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Northampton, and doing the return journey is the 1405 London Northwestern Railway service. Yeah, both of which have two 350s. 352 behind me. I'm going to film this one because it's closer. What's that? 267 on the front of the Birmingham service. This is 352.31 here from the Northampton service. On the rear of the Birmingham service is 353.74. I'll get the rear of that one when he leaves. Advertising Liverpool South Parkway. Oh, it's going to Piccadilly. I'm guessing the rear is to Piccadilly. Hang on, let's let this play out. Those two planes, the Air Canada and the American Airlines, that are going to Chicago and Toronto from Frankfurt, they're still going. You can still see them. This is what I love about a blue sky. You can always see the planes. He's off. The delayed 1400's off. Let's let this announcement play out. So is this one as well. You know what, Anne? I applaud you for having the guts to even pronounce that, even attempt it. I'd love it if it was going I believe they go to Holyhead and stuff like that place. 35105 is on the rear of this. If you've forgotten what he was doing, you can either rewind or listen to me telling you that it's the 1405 to Northampton from Birmingham New Street. Yeah. Okay, so 158836 and whoever it is on the front are now off with the 1407 to Aberystwyth and Piccadilly. The front going, I believe it was the front to Aberystwyth and the rear was to Piccadilly. You know what? I'm really proud of Anne, the announcer. Well, the amount of work we must have put into it just to say those Welsh names. I just love it. I think if they go to Holyhead, they'd stop at that place, Landfair. ... Brilliant. Okay, so now coming in is a cross-country service to Southampton Central from Manchester Piccadilly. I forget his time and I forget the numbers as well. I'll see the front number quite easily and probably the rear as well. As I've also got 3 more planes flying overhead. No, you don't want to go into that one because that's the wrong train. That's the one going in the opposite direction. Yeah, you want to go into that one, yeah. You want to go into the one that is the... You want to go into the 1414. This is the 1414 to Southampton. 220-027s on the front with 221-133 on the rear. Very good. It doesn't look like that Daventry to Moss End freight train has left the yard yet. It was supposed to leave Daventry at 14:10. It is obviously now coming up to 14:14 as the 14:14 service has just arrived. It's 14:13 now. He ain't left yet, so he ain't running. Sorry for the false alarm. Might as well carry on recording. He's supposed to pass here at 14. No, he's not. He's not doing anything. Real-time trains. Can you just put trains onto real-time trains? You know when you put trains onto the website and all that, when you're pathing trains, can you make sure they're actually running first? Yeah, I'm going to carry on recording now as 220, 027 and 133 are now departing anyway, getting ready to depart. 14:14 service to Southampton Central from Manchester Piccadilly. Yeah, there is another aircraft flying over me. I can't get a good view of it though, because like, if I put the camera on it, you'd be blinded. Very nice. We should be getting the service going the other way now as well. What time does he arrive at? I'm pretty sure he actually doesn't arrive yet. That'll be a 14:38, so you've got a bit of time yet, haven't you? No. Mate, I need to talk into my camera so I can't put my mask on because like, you just muffle otherwise. Okay, so now coming in is the 1420 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Lancaster. Looks like there's a new livery on the front. Oh, here we go. You got the new Avanti West Coast livery on the Voyagers. First time I've seen this. Literally the first time I've seen it. I haven't even seen it with my own eyes. Okay, it's 22107 on the front. Does this or does this not look like... This is not too far away from being a cross-country livery, this. More proof these are going to cross-country. They won't have to put so much work into them. Oh well. Okay, looks like he's just getting ready to depart now. I think it's 22104 on the rear. I can't remember, and I can't actually be bothered looking at real-time trains now. If it's not, don't blame me. I don't know how many times they announced to stand behind the yellow line. He was coming in, there was still about 5 people standing ahead of the yellow line. It probably just applies to people who are, you know, probably not on the platform. It doesn't apply to people who are on the platform. Yeah, anyway, he's now off. 107 and I believe 104 with the 1422 London from Lancaster. Something else down there as well. Two to 104 is on the rear. Yeah, it is 104 on the rear. There is something else down there as well, so I'm going to carry on recording. Yeah, so London Northwestern Railway service to New Street then. I'm guessing this is from Northampton as well, isn't it? Oh yeah, this is the 1425 service from Northampton to New Street. London Northwestern Railway, 350. No. Where's he gone? He's disappeared. Yeah, here's the 1425 to New Street from Northampton. You know, I'm going to pause it and carry on recording when he gets closer. Okay, so the 1425 from Northampton to New Street is getting a bit closer now, so I'm going to start recording it now. Well, I have. There's confirmation.
Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street.
Really?
Creek,
Really?
Hall,
Wow.
Stretford,
Oh.
Park,
Oh, stopping there.
Birmingham New Street. This
Huh?
train is formed of 8 coaches.
No way. During the pandemic? Like every single other train is. You wouldn't think. It's 352.56 on the front. $353.77 is on the rear. Oh yeah, I missed the advertisement on the side. Oh well. I didn't really need to see it anyway. Okay, so now coming in is the late running 1430, sorry. London Northwestern Railway service to... It was originally supposed to be Northampton, but there's a train fault ahead of this one. A train has picked up a fault ahead of this one. So he is terminating at Rugby instead. I know, complicated. 351.13 is on the front. I'm pretty sure there's someone on the rear, so I'll get that when he leaves. Okay, so it looks like he's off now. To Rugby. And only as far as Rugby. $262 on the rear. Okay, so now arriving is the 1438 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. I beat you to it. It's with 2 voyages from Southampton Central. It's going via Stafford. Manchester Piccadilly. I beat you to it again. You need to be quicker. You need to be quicker. Yeah, 2 voyages, 220, 032 and 022. In that order. Yep. Okay, so 220, 032 and 022 are now off to Manchester. We have the 1438 to Manchester. We also have, coming in here, the 1441 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street from London Euston, worked by Pendolino. There's another Pendolino behind me, doing the opposite, from Birmingham to New Street. But Birmingham to New Street? No, Birmingham to London, you dope. Which Birmingham and which London? I hear you ask. Well, it's Birmingham New Street and it's London Euston on the West Coast main line. Oh! EasyJet. There we go. You have an EasyJet. So yeah, we have 2 Pendolinos here. The first one is 39155. This is the Birmingham train. The London train is 39107. I mean, I do know that because I actually did look at it on real-time trains, but yeah, now Railway Benefit Fund. There's the EasyJet up there. Give me a minute. I will just see where he's going, and also check the time of this Pendolino as well, because I forget it. This is the 1440 service. This is the 1440. That's the 1441. The EasyJet was going to Flight Radar. The EasyJet was Birmingham to Belfast. Yeah, he's going to Belfast. Excellent. The EasyJet, that is, not this train. Obviously. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. See ya. Okay, so 39107 is now off with the service to London. Yeah. See ya. That's a nice driver. It looks like 39155 is also getting ready to depart as well. The service to Birmingham from London. Okay, to conclude everything, well, first of all, we got a terminating Transport for Wales 158. Terminating Transport for Wales 158 from Aberystwyth. That'll be working 1508 to Chester. I'll be getting that back to Birmingham. We have got the 1453 Avanti West Coast service to Preston from London Euston. To conclude everything, 39151. So I filmed this one because I can film Pendolinos every day. To be fair, well, I can't really because I don't actually get a chance to do it every day. But no, if you want to, because we've all got human rights after all. You do know that. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna just do the outro now. Actually, I'll go and fetch this number. 158 833. Is that one? This is. Yeah, this is obviously 39151. Yeah, I'm not going to respect social distancing. I don't want to respect it. It doesn't deserve my respect. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views and all that. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, and if you dislike, please tell me why. Now, how you translating that from whatever that was, unknown soldier. Is this? If you dislike, please tell me why and how I can improve. Yeah, I've enjoyed myself here at Birmingham International. There's healthy amount of trains. It is Sunday, obviously, so the amount of trains I got for a Sunday, very, very good. I'd have actually liked a bit more in terms of planes, but I suppose there's not really too much going to foreign countries now, is there? Because obviously we're still in the middle of a pandemic. You're not going to get that many planes. But what I've caught here is okay. I only properly caught an EasyJet. I did kind of catch the American Airlines and the Air Canada, but that was nothing. You could barely see them. All it was a little white line behind them. That's what you could see. Yeah, but yeah, I don't do anything about that. Anyway, my next station is yet to be confirmed. I was going to do Marston Green, but I've done Birmingham International now and basically see the same stuff at Marston Green. I don't know where I'll go next. I might go to Nuneaton, actually. I don't know. I'll confirm that to you in a later video. Oh, the next transporting video I'll confirm it to you. So anyway, yeah. And yeah, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. And until next time, I'll see you all around. Bye, guys.